Yeah, good morning, guys. Am I audible, right? So I give the summary. So in the last session, we discussed about few of the areas in Java. I would say like how to read data from the keyboard, and we learned about what are the reserved words we have in Java, reserved words, and Java naming conventions. Java naming conventions, also called as standards. Okay. And after that we discussed about identifiers. These are the areas which we discussed in the last session, right? Identifiers. Okay, in the how to read the data from the keyboard, there are three types. How to read data from the keyboard, there are three types, guys. First one is scan class, and second one is buffered reader buffered reader, and third one is command line arguments command line arguments command line arguments. These are the three areas. Okay, so in the last session we're done with the scanner class. Next up today, this we will discuss at the time of conditional statements, and this we can discuss at the time of strings. We will discuss at the time of strings. Okay. Okay, fine. Now today we can go ahead and then we can start with the concept, that is the conditional statements. Conditional statements. So what does it mean by conditional statements? So conditional statements basically, so conditional statements which are used to which are used to make the decisions based on the condition, guys, based on the condition. Okay, which are used to make the decision based on the condition, based on the condition. In Java we have we have five types of conditional statements, guys. Five types. We have five types. What are the five? First one is the simple if. Second one is the if else, and third one is the if else if, and fourth one is the nested if, guys. Fourth one is the nested if, and fifth one is the switch case. Fifth one is the switch case. There are five conditional statements in Java. What are the five? First one is the simple if, second one is the if else, and third one is the if else if, fourth one is the nested if, and fifth one is the switch case. So we can go ahead with one by one. So first one is the simple if, guys. First one is the simple if. So these all are predefined keywords. Like if is the predefined keyword, if else, these all are predefined keywords. Okay. So the first statement is here, simple if, which is used to make the decision based on the condition. Based on the condition, which is used to which is I would say used to take the decision take the decision decision based on only the condition is true. Only the condition is true, guys. Only the condition is true. The syntax for conditional statements is if, and where we will write the inside the condition, and it will check the condition. It will check the condition. If the condition is okay, then only it will execute the statements. Then only it will execute the There is a flow diagram also for this one, so that also I can open MS Paint, and then through that I can try to show you the diagram of if block. I'm opening MS Paint. We are discussing about simple if, right? Simple if. Okay, there is a flow diagram for simple if, so that I can show you. There is a flow diagram for the simple if. flow diagram. Okay, so normally where actually the program will starts here, program will starts here, and it will check the condition. If the condition will okay, then it will execute the statements. It will execute the statements, and finally the control got terminated. The controller got terminated. Okay, this is flow diagram, guys. Program starts here. Program starts here. Okay, program start here, and here it will check the condition. It will check the condition. If the condition is true, this is condition. If the condition is true, then it will go to if block. This is if block. Inside if block, we will write our business logics. Like I would say statements. If block. So finally, our controller got terminated. Our controller got terminated. This is called simple if flow diagram. First program execution start from the main method, and it will come inside. It will check the condition. Okay, if the condition is true, if the condition is true, then only the statements will be executed. Now, I can tell a few of other examples also. For example, you have car. You can assume this is car you have, and you want to make the successful ride, and what it need fuel, right? If the car have the fuel, then you can able to make the successful ride. This is the car, and if the car have the fuel, then you can able to make the successful ride. Yes or not? So here completely it depends on its fuel. If the car have the fuel, then you can able to make the successful ride. If the car does not have the fuel, then you cannot make the unsuccessful ride. You will make the unsuccessful ride. So here the thing is condition. If the car have the fuel, then you can able to make the successful ride. If the car does not have the fuel, then you cannot make the successful ride. The same way, how we can write the programmatically, here also program will start here, and it will check the condition. If the condition is okay, if the condition is true, then it will go to the if block. This is if block, guys. Whatever the statements we will write inside the if block, that statements will be executed,
Yes,
and
sir.
finally the program got
Hello.
terminated. Finally the program got terminated.
Hello.
Guys, any issues, online people?
Sir, somebody joined. Please hello. They are waiting.
Joining now. Guys, what is the time, guys? I already mentioned the times, right? 9 to, I would say, class will start from the 9. So please be available timings, guys. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, simple if. Based on the condition which is used to take the decision, only the condition is true. Okay, how we can write the programs? Then I will show you programs on it. Very, very easy programs. I am going to that folder, any folder, wherever you have the space, you can go to that location, and letting this one. And then here actually I can mention I am taking a text document, and here I'm mentioning the file name is some, I would say some simple if I am mentioning simplif.java. Okay, file has created. I'm going inside now. Syntax for this one is public class simple if, and this is the scope of the class, and main method public static void main method, and where we can take a string aux, and from here to here, this is the scope of the main method. Yeah. Now, so here I'm taking the if. If is the predefined keyword. So everywhere in Java, predefined keywords, all predefined keywords have the lowercase characters only. Okay, this is which case, lowercase or uppercase? Lowercase. This is also lowercase. Okay, any keyword, any predefined keyword in Java, you should write lowercase only. You should write lowercase only. Okay, fine. Now come to here, and this is the scope of if block, and where actually we will write the condition. Where we will write the condition. Here we will write the condition. Before conditional statements, we discussed about the operators. We did not discuss about the operators, right? So before conditional statements, we have operators, guys. So the topic I thought we come to that one. We have operators. Before conditional statements, we have operators. Once you are familiar with the operators, then we can go ahead with the conditional statements. So operators meaning operators are the symbols, guys. Operators are the symbols which will tell to the compiler, which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations, to perform some operation, to perform some operation, guys. Okay, in Java we have some set of operators, like I would say first one is we have arithmetic operators. I'm giving the numbers, arithmetic operators, and next one is we have assignment operators, and next we have comparison or logical operators, logical operators, and after that we have comparison or relational operators. Next fourth one is logical logical operators. Next fifth one is ternary operators, ternary operators. Next sixth one is unary operators, unary operators. Seventh one is new operator, new operator, and eighth one is dot operator, dot operator. There are some set of operators in Java, guys. What does it mean by operator? Operators are the symbol which will tell to the compiler to perform some operation. To perform some operation. Okay, in Java we have some set of operators. What are the set of operators we have? Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison or relational operators, and next one is logical operators, and after that we have the ternary operator and unary operator, new operator, dot. Okay, so we'll go ahead with one by one, and then we'll try to understand with the arithmetic operators, meaning already very easy concept, like from starting onwards we're doing arithmetic operators. So all the main concept is the same. Operators are the symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations. So here also there's the same definition for arithmetic operators as well. Here also the same definition for the arithmetic operators as well. So here simply we'll mention the arithmetic operators or the symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform operations. What are the symbols we have in arithmetic operators? The symbols are plus symbol, minus, next plus minus, subtraction and multiplication, next division and modulus, guys. Division and modulus, these are the symbols which we have under the arithmetic operators. The symbols. What are the symbols we have? Symbols we have in arithmetic operators. Okay, these are the symbols: plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulus. So these symbols already you know, guys. You know already addition, you know already subtraction, you know already multiplication. You want to know only the difference between the division and modulus. Division and modulus, okay, that I will show you. For example, um, here I am taking the number 10. 10 I want to divide by 2. Okay, 2 5s are how much? 10. Okay, and this is the remainder, right? This is the remainder, this is the quotient, right? So when you use the division, so it will get the coefficient as the result. When you use the modulus, it will get the remainder as the result, guys. So that is the only the difference between the division and modulus. I hope you guys are clear. I will tell you once again. Um, so there is a 100, and I'm doing division with 5. Okay. So 520 is how much? 100. So remainder is 0, and the quotient is 20. Okay, so when you use the modulus, you will get the remainder as the result. Okay, when you use the this division, you will get the coefficient as the result. That I show you practically also, you will get the clarity. So I hope these symbols are clear, like you know how to use the plus symbol, how to use the minus symbol, how to use the multiplication, and you want to know only the difference between uh, division and modulus. This is the difference that I can show you through programmatically. You will get the better clarity on it. Okay, where actually I would like to go to here, and here I can take a new Java file. Here I'm mentioning the name is operators. Operators dot Java. Yeah, okay. I'm opening simply. I am opening the Java file. Operators dot Java. Okay, fine. Public class operators. Um, this is the scope of the operators dot Java class. Now we can take public static void main, and we can take a string aux, and this is the scope of the main method. Now here I'm taking arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, like we have the symbols are like I would say plus and minus. Next we have the multiplication. Next we have division and modulus. Yes, sir, right. Okay. Yeah. Now can do the addition and all. Normally, you know already. For example, I am taking some values, some 10. Okay, and again into B, I am taking the value equal to some 20. Now I can do the all addition and subtraction values. Like I would like to take the system dot out dot println, and here I am doing the concatenation, the addition of two numbers. The addition of two numbers is okay. This is the string, and here I'm doing a plus b. This you can write in single line, or you can write in two lines also, into c equal to a plus b. Okay, so here you can directly mention the c. So if I run this program, how much the value will I get? How much value I can get? 30. 30. Okay, now come to this is with respect to addition. What I did here, I did the addition. The same way, remaining subtraction multiplication also the same way. So I can show you here, you will get the better clarity. So there is a subtraction of two numbers. Two numbers. So here simply you can mention b minus 10, b minus a. That's it. Okay. The subtraction of b minus a is you will get the value as 10. You will get the value as 10. Next we have multiplication. Multiplication also you can do like this, where you can take the sort statement and multiplication of two numbers. Multiplication of two numbers. So here I can mention b into 3. How much the value? B is holding the value how much? 20. 20 into 3, 60. I will get the value as 60. Are you guys following or not? This is already, we know already. From childhood onwards, we are doing the same thing. Okay. Now, we'll try to understand modulus and division. Now, come to here. So, A divided by 2. Then how much value I can get? 5. I will get there as the 5. Next, come to here. And here, use a modulus by 2. Now the value is 0. The value is 0. This is the symbols we have in arithmetic operators guys. What are the symbols we have? Plus operator, minus operator, multiplication operator, division and modulus. Okay, so this is the way. So you can write like this or directly you can write like here also. Okay, anything is okay. Now I can run the compile the file and then I can show you the result. You will get the better clarity on it. Open Java C operators dot Java file name. File has successfully compiled. Java and operators. Yeah, you can see here the addition of two numbers is 30. The subtraction of 10, 65. Whatever the values we expected, it is showing the same values or different. Same values meaning. So whatever we are thinking, that is we are seeing practically. Okay, this always it will fetch the quotient as the result. It will always it will fetch the remainder as the result. Remainder as the result. I hope you guys are clear with the this one arithmetic operators. I am taking system dot out of println and where actually so for clarity purpose I am taking like this. You can also can take. Okay, this is all about arithmetic operators. This is in this area. Anyone have any doubts? Arithmetic operators. Any doubts? Arithmetic operators. Any doubt? If you are okay with the arithmetic operators, next we can go ahead with the assignment operators. Yes, operators topic is very easy. Okay, if you start or if you confuse anywhere, please let me know. I can tell you other way as well. So next one is the assignment operators. Next one we have assignment operators is. What are the symbols we have? Same symbols, but here we will add the equals. That's it. Same symbols. Here we will add the equals, guys. That's it. Now tell me what are the symbols we have in assignment operators? Plus equals. I would say equals plus, equals minus, equals multiplication, equals division, and equals model. That's it. Okay. Now, what is the real-time scenarios where actually we will use the assignment operators? We'll try to understand that with few of the examples. For example, I'm taking some MS Paint. You know, kiddie banks, right? Kiddie banks, in the child, in the child, I would say age. uh, we are keeping our money in the kiddie banks, right? Let us assume there is a kiddie bank. That kiddie bank name I am giving, the kiddie bank name is some A. Okay. Let us assume there is a scenario. Your father is daily giving 100 rupees to you. So that amount you are keeping, meaning you are saving in the kiddie bank. This is the kiddie bank. Whatever the amount your father is given to you, that amount you are keeping inside kiddie bank. This kiddie bank name is the A. Okay, this kiddie bank name is the A. So let us assume there is a day one, day two, day three, like that you can assume. Okay, so the first day your father gave to you 100 rupees. Your father gave to you 100 rupees. This is the day one. This is day one. Okay, day one. So the father gave to you that amount you saved in the this kitty bank. Now how much value it is holding? It is holding how much value, guys? It is holding 100. Okay, okay, fine. This is day one. Day two, again come to day two. Day two also again your father gave to you 50 rupees. Day two. In the day two, again your father gave 50 rupees to you. So kitty bank is the same. So the same variable, again we are keep on adding the values. We are keep on adding the values. So already it is holding the value 100. Again we are trying to add the value 50. Now how much the total value? It is holding 150. Right? 100 plus 50, how much? 150. 150. This is the same variable we are adding values is called assignment. We are already it is holding the value. Again we are assigning the value is called assignment operators. This is day two. We'll take day three. I'm taking like day three also. The father given to him 50 rupees. This is day three. Okay. And now you guys tell me how much the variable finally initially it is having 150 before day three. In day three again father gave 50 rupees to him. He saved again 50. The same variable content kitty bag is the same, but he is adding the values. Now how much it is having? Total the kitty bag holding 200 rupees. Here the thing is A is the variable. Variable already holding the value. Again we are assigning the again we are passing the value is called assignment operators. Assignment operators. I hope everybody is clear. Already it is holding the value. Holding the value. So in first time we will assign the value, and next time also for same variable we are keep on adding the values, that is called assignment operators. We have the plus equals minus, I would say equals into, and equals division and equals modulus. Okay. In the day 4, father take 100 rupees from kitty bank. 100 rupees from kitty bank. How much the kitty bank is having initially? 200. And father taken amount 100 from that kitty bank. Now how much it is having? 100. Because father taken 100 amount, 100 rupees amount from the kitty bank. So the same variable we are doing the operations, guys. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo. These kind of operations same variable we will do. So that is the reason we are calling assignment operators. This is okay, right? Now I can write a program and then I can show you practically. You can tell me the answers. Assignment operators. I am taking the variable int x equal to kitty bank name. I am taking x. Initially it is holding the value some 10 rupees. We'll take 100 rupees. Okay, I will not initially it is empty. You can take value or you can take empty. So kitty bank, there is a empty kitty bank, and father first day father given 100 rupees amount to that child. the child save that amount in the kitty bank. So that how we can write. So plus it is already holding the value, and equals plus 100. Then what does it mean? What happens internally? Internally it will happen like this: x equal to x plus 100, guys. 100. Okay, it is not having anything. 0 plus 100, it will have the value 100. Now here I would like to take the system dot out dot println, and the value of x is the value of x is the value of x is uh, now how much the x value? 100. So the same thing I can compile, and then I will show you. You will get the better clarity on it. Java C operators dot Java and Java operators. You can see, guys, the value of x is how much? 100. These are belong to automatic operators. This is belong to assignment operator. Remaining also will do one by one. This is the day one. Day two also. Uh, Again, father gave 50 rupees to him, guys. 50 rupees to him. 50 rupees to him. Now, how much the value it is having? 150. 150. Already day one, he saved already 100 rupees. Again, the father gave 50 rupees to him. Total amount is 150. Total amount is 150. Okay, this is the day two. Now, guys, the symbols don't confuse. Left side is the equal, right side is the symbol. Both are symbols, but in case of assignment operators, so some of them are they confuse, like the plus operator they're keeping before, not before. Uh, Assigning, we are assigning the value, right? So left side is the variable, and we are right side is the plus symbol. Okay, don't confuse. Now come to here. Third day you want to withdraw amount from him. If you want to withdraw amount from him, then there is a symbol minus. Minus. So you want to withdraw the amount some 25 rupees, or you can take like some 30 rupees. 30 rupees. Now how much the value? Huh? Before that, you have total 150 rupees. From that 150 rupees, he is taking from that 150. Then how much the value? 120. 120. This is with respect to minus. Next up, we'll try to understand with respect to multiplication. Multiplication, here you can mention multiplication symbol, and now can tell me the answer. How much the value here? 240. 240. Okay. Okay, fine. This is also okay. Very good. Now come to here. We'll try to understand with respect to division by 2. Uh, 240 division by 2, how much you will get the value? 120 as the result. 120. Okay, fine. Very good. Now come down. And there is other one more coefficient, right? So in that case, I can mention the symbol is coefficient, modulus, and here how much value you will get? You will get 0. Save the file. Save the file and come to the location. Here this also can Java C operators.java, and there are two places it is throwing the error: line number 41 and line number 45 and 49 also. There are three errors. Go to that location. 45, this one, and this one. Come to here. X is holding the value The same, however, we subtracted, and same way we can do the multiplication. We can do the multiplication. Come to the program.
Krishna, in system.println, we are taking that as plus x. We didn't change that symbol. Plus x for everything. We have taken.
Sorry.
We have taken system.print in that program.
No, no, no. That this is throwing the error here. The
Yes,
line
yes. In that only, I am saying that we have taken plus symbol in system.println. We have taken plus symbol for everything.
here.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
This is concatenation. String plus variable is called concatenation. That is also no issue.
Okay.
That is also no issue. This is the value which is holding 120, and we'll do the division and we'll do the modulus. We'll get the result. Now what happens internally? X equal to x into 2 into 2. This is the process actually happens internally. So x is holding the value 120 and into 2. We will get the value total 240. We will get the value total 240. Okay. This is the symbol x, x, and this is also same. This will same also go. Plus 50, plus 50. Okay. Now just let's see once again with the example. There are assignment operators examples in Java. You can go with anything. Hold on. Down, 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 down. Okay, the user before equals it all. Down, down, come down. Modulus. Okay. Yeah, come to the program here. In that program, the actually we'll go with another side. Java. Yeah, we'll see this one. Go to assignment operators. Yeah, go down, 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 down. They are using before equals. They are using before equals. Okay, fine. Now come to here. Mm, Equals, and here also modulus equals. I'm saving this one. Now come to here. Compile the file. Java C operators.java, and file has successfully compiled. Operators. You are getting the value minus 30, 60, and 30. Expected value is 100, 150, and 100, 50. Okay, 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 okay. Come to here, Java C operator.java. Okay. Okay. Guys, actually the symbols you can use before equals. Okay, before equals. So that actually the symbols here, the symbols you can use before equals. I can say plus equals and minus equals, same operators, minus equals, and the next I would say multiplication equals. Next one is division equals and modulus equals. Modulus equals. Okay, these are the symbols. These are the symbols. So that you can add the symbol before the equals. Before the equals. Okay, there are total 5: plus equals, minus equals, multiplication equals, and division equals, and modulus equals. The same symbols, and after these symbols we are adding the equals. That's it. Same symbols, after these symbols we are adding the equals. Scenario number 1 is symbols. Scenario number is symbol plus equals. That's it. That is called assignment operators. Now you will get the exact values. Now you will get the exact values. Come to the here, get the exact values of that one. Operators.java. Come to here. 100 plus 50, how much? 150. Okay, very good. 150 minus 30. You will get the value as 120. And come to here. 120 into 2. How much? 240. 240 divided by 2. 120. 120 modulus by 2. You will get the value as 0. Save the file. Come to here. Again, compile the file. Java C operator.java. And you can see here, whatever the values we expected, it is showing the same values or different, same values. So that is called assignment operators. Any doubts in this area? In the assignment operators, any doubts, anyone? No doubts, right? After the assignment operators, we have relational operators, guys. We have the relational operators. After the assignment operators, we have the relational operators. The relational operators also called as another name, comparison operators. Comparison operators. Okay. So which are also symbols which will tell to the compiler to perform to perform the operations. Okay. Definition is the same, and here the symbols in the relational comparison operators is, I would say, less than, or equal, less than equal to, next greater than equals to. These are the symbols, and double equals to. How many symbols? There are total 5. Less than, equal to, greater than equal to, and double equal to. Double equal to. Okay. So relational operators, it will return the Boolean values, guys. It will return Boolean values. Boolean values meaning Boolean, either true or false. It will return either true. It will check the comparison, and it will tell it will give the results as boolean values, either true, either false, either true, either false. Okay. Relational operators are also symbol which will tell to the compiler to perform some operations. It will return the boolean values only. Now I can write a program and then I will show you here. The same file I am using, guys. Same file I am using. Come to here, and here I am mentioning uh, relational or comparison operators. Relational or comparison operators. Comparison operators. Come to here, and I am taking int m equal to 1. Next, int n equal to some 2 value I am taking. Now I need to do the comparison. Boolean result equal to m. First we'll go ahead with the there is a symbol less than, okay, less than or equal to. Next we have the greater than or equal to, and next we have double equals to. These are the symbols which we have, right? Yeah. Now result m less than 2. Guys, see, m is holding the value how much? M is holding the value 1. 1 or not? Yes. And 2, n is holding the value. This is the 2. 2 also can write, or variables also can write. 2 less than 1. This is true or false? This is true. So when you run this program, you will get the true as the result. So that's it. We will do the comparison, and it will give the result to us, either true or false. If it is the true, then it will return as the true. If it is the false, then it will return as the false. So that's it. That's it, guys. Here I am taking the SOP statement, system.out.println, system.out.println, and here I can do the comparison of two values. Comparison of two values is, this is concatenation I am doing, guys, is result, variable name result. I can save the file, and I can go to the location wherever the file is available. You can go to that location, you can compile the file, you can run the file. uh, the value, the comparison of two values is true. Okay, can do same way. Less than is also, less than is okay, very good. Now we'll try to understand less than or equal to. Guys, you can write like this, and you can directly can write in inside the SOP statement also. There are two ways to write. This is the one way to write, meaning again the operation again I am keeping inside, and that I am printing. So instead of doing this one, you can directly can write in sysout statement also. So I am doing directly, and so here next one is less than equal to, right? Come to here. Now you guys tell me, n minus equal to 10. How much value will I get? Like will get true or false? True. uh, what happens internally? What happens internally, guys? N is holding the value 2. 2 less than equal to 10. This is valid or invalid? Valid. So that is the reason it will give the result as true. Give the result as true. Okay, fine. Now next one is uh, less than, you guys understood. Less than equals also you guys understood. Next we have, there is greater than, guys. Come to here. I'm taking I'm changing the symbol. Now you tell me n is holding the value how much? 2. 2 greater than or equal to 10? No. Then it will return the false as the result, guys. False as the result. First we'll take normal this one. 2 greater than 10? No. Same thing. I'm copying that one. And again here also I'm greater than equal to 10. Now this is equals. No. No, right? If I take 1, now 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, guys, very very easy programs. Only I am doing simple things. It is holding the value. We are doing the comparison. If the comparison is valid, then it will return the true as the result. If the comparison is not valid, then it will not return the values. So you guys understood less than equals to greater. Now we'll try to understand equals. Equals meaning it will which is used to comparison the two values. So where actually here uh, I'm mentioning like equal to, and here the value it is holding the value 2, and here also I'm storing the value 2. Now it will give the result as true. Why? Because two values are same. Two values are not same, then it will give the result as false. So this is the program I'm saving, and I am going to here Java C operator chat Java, and I can compile. We will get the values. See here, true, true, false, true, true. Whatever the values we expected, the same values we are coming. It is displaying or not? Yes, it is displaying. This is all about hmm, relational operators or comparison operators. Next set of operators we have, that is the logical operators. Logical operators are also very very easy. So here I'm taking the next concept name is logical operators. In the logical operators, what are the symbols we have, guys? We have only three symbols. First one is AND operator, and we have OR operator and NOT operator and not operator. There are three symbols we have, guys, and then not. So this where you learn, in the 10th class we have the truth table. If you remember, in the 10th class we have the truth table, right? Truth table meaning. So there actually here I'm taking, and you can also note down this diagram, guys. And the symbol is this one, and operator. Next one is OR. The symbol is OR operator. The final one is not. This is not. The symbol is this one. Okay. And there is a like yeah, there is a truth table, right? True, true. Next, true, false, false, true, false, 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 false. Okay. Now here also the same truth table we have. Uh, Here actually, where actually I would like to say, when the both condition is true, then only you can able to log in successful. Then only can able to log in successful. Okay. If any like username and email is not correct, then you will not able to log in successfully. Okay, so like false, and this is also false. Okay, and this is also false. This is also false. This is and truth table. Now we'll try to understand R truth table. So first one is true, true. Okay, and here also true, f, true, f. Next we have f, true, ff, ff. Okay, so here ff. Yeah. Now, so in this case, if anything is true, then you can able to log in successfully. This is also true. This is the so the best example for the and operator is the best example for the our and operator is like where when you log it with some accounts like our bank account. So compulsory you should have the your user ID, your password. Then only you can able to log in successful. Compulsory you should have the user ID and password. Bank account, some stock, any credentials, major accounts. Okay, you should able to have login successful through user ID and password only. Okay, and if you come to here, so there are platforms are like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and all right. So there you can you if you have the mobile number, through mobile number also you can able to log in, and through email also you can able to log in. If you have the mobile number, email also you can able to log in. But apart from that, if you have anyone, you can able to log in. So that is the that cases we will use or operator, either mobile number or through mail and password, like that. Okay, not meaning opposite, guys. If you say not true, then it will return the false. Not true meaning not true meaning false. This is opposite. So these are the truth table, guys. This is the truth table. So all of you note down this truth table. So once you note down this truth table, you can do few of the programs on this symbols, on this logical operator symbols. Logical, guys. If you are strong at these three areas, I can say these three areas like operators, and we have conditional statements. Next, looping statements. If you are strong at these three areas, if you are good at these three areas, then you are strong at logical thinking. If you are good at these three areas, then you are strong at logical thinking. Logical thinking. Logical thinking. Okay. These three are very, very important. Operators, conditional statements, and looping statements. If you are good at these three areas, then you are strong at logical thinking. Then you are strong at logical thinking. Then you are strong at logical thinking. Okay, I can write a program and then we'll see the programs here. So here I'm taking int p equal to 1, guys. Int p equal to 1 and int q equal to some 2. Come down here, and this also logical statements also will return the boolean values, guys. Logical statements also will return the boolean values. Logical statements also will return the boolean values. Logical operators, it will also return the boolean values. It will return the boolean values. Okay, come to here, and boolean result r1 equal to, okay, so p greater than q, and operator q less than some value. I'm giving some 3 or some 5. Now guys, tell me the answer. You can see the program. P is holding the value how much? 1. 1 greater than q meaning 2. This is true or false? This is false. Okay, this is false. Okay, now come to here. This is holding how much? How much? There is a symbol and operator. 2 greater than, I would say less than 5. This is true or false? This is true. False true is false, you will get the false. So that is the concept you need to understand, guys. So if I use or operator, then you will get the value as true. So that is the thing you have to understand. The same thing. Here I can take system dot out dot println, and here I can mention r1 value, r1 value. Then I can, you can get the value as the same two statements I am copying. And here if I use the or operator, or operator, so here we will get the value as true or false, and here we will get the value as true. True. Next symbol we have, there is a not symbol, guys. Not meaning opposite. For example, system dot out dot println, not not true, meaning I'm saying not true, then it will print opposite value, it will print false. That's it, guys. I'm saving this one, I'm coming to here, and java c operators dot java, and this variable already defined, you can change the other name. I mentioned like R2, and this is also I mentioned some R2. I'm saying if I come to here, compile the file and run the file is JavaScript. You will get the values false to false, false to false. Okay, this is clear, guys. Clear? Any questions, anyone? So operators is a very easy concept. You guys please be practice. The remaining operators will continue on tomorrow. Guys, can you please respond with your names?
Uh, Hi, Krishna.
Please respond with your names, guys. Siva Krishna,
Yeah, Krishna.
Chandra, Siva Krishna is there.
Yeah, yeah.
Chandrasekhar,
Yes, sir.
Sindhu,
Yes, sir.
Sindhu,
Yes, sir.
Rafi,
Yes, sir.
Harshvardhan,
Yes, Krishna.
Vamsi Kumar,